I joined Ripple Automation 18 months ago, we were already using SolidWorks. It's pretty much the industry standard 3D CAD solution for automation equipment. And there's a good resource pool in the area. All universities are training people up in SolidWorks. So when we're looking to expand and grow our business, I know that there'll be designers out there that we can pull in. One of the benefits of using SolidWorks is error reduction. Obviously from a 3D model, you can see all the clashes, you can make sure everything fits together properly before you send out to manufacture. We use SolidWorks to link in with our CAD/CAM software, so we can issue drawings to manufacture much quicker. We also use SolidWorks as a sales tool. Our sales engineers will be able to take 3D models to site, so they can easily explain what the machine is going to look like to non-engineers as well. Yeah, so we've recently introduced SolidWorks Electrical to our business. Prior to that, we weren't using an intelligent design software in our electrical department. So what we've found there is that by introducing SolidWorks Electrical, it has reduced the number of errors in the design, the number of errors on the wiring side of things on the shop floor, and it has sped up the design process. Yeah, Solid Solutions were very helpful when we first introduced SolidWorks Electrical. Not only did Solid Solutions provide technical support as and when we need it, they also came to our site, helped us install the software, ensure everything was set up correctly, and ensured that our first SolidWorks Electrical user was fully up to speed with what he needed to know to get the best out of the software.